In this video, we're going to be finding a profitable product and demonstrating why it's profitable and why it's a stable lead to sell on Amazon. If you guys want more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and comment FBA down below. Also, DM me on Instagram if you want any one-on-one coaching and help scaling or starting your own Amazon FBA business. But anyways, let's get cooking. So here we are. I'm in Keep a Product Finder right here. And we're just gonna go quick here. We're just gonna set some filters. So let's do anything under 100,000 right now. And actually no, I like to do this. Let's do anything under 70,000 right now. In the past 90 days, it was at least 100,000. So this is gonna give us declining sales rank. We'll do Amazon out of stock, and then we can do anything buy box over. I like over 30, so we'll do 28 right now. That's like my sweet spot. $30 buy cost, $30 sale price. And then categories, we can do, let's do grocery, gourmet food. So we're already down to 2,000 products right here. And then let's do new offer count, at least 3 to 15. And in the past 90 days, it's had at least 20 sellers. Oh, nothing. Alright, we'll leave 3 to 15 on there. Let's do is not a variation, so that gives us 300 products. Alright, we can set one more filter here. Let's just do find products. Let's see what we can find here out of this batch. So 321 right off the bat here. 2-pack. Oh, these are coffee pods, not eBay. It's not what we want. Amazon. So the software is going to be using our seller ant for this. So $30 for these. We're gonna need to get them for like 15. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this by cost. I don't think so. Coffee pods are kind of expensive depending on where you're getting them from, but we need this for 14. Yeah, doesn't look like it. Walmart, no. Okay, so this one's not a winner. Lipton tea, pack of 2. This one's going for $39. Wow, this actually might be a winning product right here, just based on what this is, Lipton tea. So 50 count, pack of 2. Right, pack of 2. Okay, we need this for 12. Okay, so it definitely looks like it. This is probably third party on Walmart. Yep. Oh, is this 3.3 ounce? 3.3 ounce. Yep. 50 count. Boom. Did we 2 for $9 on CVS? This is decaffeinated black tea, decaffeinated black tea, 50 count. Yep. Lipton decaffeinated black tea. Wow, this is actually a kind of a killer product, and you can see right here on the Keep a Boom, if we zoom in, we can see 9 offers, and it was going down too, and the price has gone up since then. But we're getting this for $9 on CVS, 50 count. Let's just make sure everything's alright. Yep, decaffeinated black tea, 53.3 ounce. Oh shoot. Let's go right here. Decaffeinated real tea leaves, picked with fresh, decaffeinated. It looks the same. Yep. Yeah, so it's the same product. But it's out of stock right here. But oh, we can do shipping, so that's fine. Okay, so then we have 5% Rakuten cash back as well. So $4.99, so $9 buy cost, and this is selling for $39 right now in the buy box. So $20 profit, 217% ROI. If we're selling it at the historical price though, past 3 months been kind of all over the place. Let's see, past month, I mean this has sold for like $30-40 before. Wow. But at 26, still golden, 85% ROI. This is a killer product actually. This used to be a trash sales rank. This listing looks so crazy, but I mean, this is clearly profitable. Clearly it sells 165 times a month. This is a golden listing right here. You can see by the offer count again. If you look into data buy box statistics, see what's going on here. And alright, so this guy's getting killer merchant fulfilled. So we can do merchant fulfilled and FBA, and this is a pretty light product too, so merch filling this would be absolutely no problem. So looking at the keeper right now, profitable, very profitable. Offer is going down, we know it sells, we know we can do merch fulfilled and FBA for this, so we already found a supplier. Now all we have to do, do any other stores have it? It looks like this one. Boom, JC Foods. Let's see, product unavailable, it says, but you can probably find this at many stores. I mean, Lipton's a very popular brand. You can even wholesale this. So boom, same price right here as CVS. That's fine, but that's as easy as it is, guys. I mean, there's, like I said, plenty of other products here that I'm sure could be profitable just looking at them, but this is as easy as it is. I mean, this product's super profitable. I would definitely test buy this, you know, do some merch fulfilling, see how it goes. But yeah, this listing sells, so that's really all Amazon FBA is right now. You know, buying it for $9, you could probably pick this up wherever you are right now and merch fulfill this for $9, selling it for $40, making $20, 200% on your money, guys. You're not gonna find this kind of value anywhere else. So if you guys did enjoy this video, you got any questions, DM me, comment like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.